G'day! In today's video I'm opening up an older Verbatim Enclosure. This one does have a fair bit of age to it, and as you can see we're using a mini USB, not a micro. So that'll give you an idea of the age of this particular drive, with the model number AC500GBR. The transfer speed on this is too slow, and currently I'm trying to transfer a large amount of data, so I'm hoping I can open it up and from there be able to just connect it directly via SATA. This drive probably has IDE connections on it, which would not surprise me one bit. This looks like it just keeps going. Okay. We're off, and the warranty seal is still intact. Yeah, hopefully this will come out. Hold this up, pull back, and we have a 500 gig Samsung drive in there. Manufacturing date, if we can spot that on here, is 2010. So considerably aged. Basically, if one of these has failed, I'd recommend taking the drive out, transferring it to a new enclosure, as these drives, especially when these enclosures, like to fail. So from here I'm going to be able to connect this to a SATA dock and be able to read it at a much faster speed, other than USB 2, which is not very fun at all. And then I'll put this back together. Back in a sec. Transfer went perfectly fine, ran at about 80 megasecond as opposed to 20 megasecond when connected to this. So for a large file transfer, it's definitely worthwhile taking it out. We've got to line up these pins, the smaller gap and the larger gap, and it should just push in. There we go. In and down, fold that over, put this bit in, and then this, I'm assuming, slides in slightly at the front here and should just clip around. There we go. That's the Verbatim 500 gig drive now back together again. Very simple to get into that one. Bye.